Hey guys, how is it going? It's Raghav. Before going into the session, I request you to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Let us start our session on most common computer shortcuts. Our first shortcut is F1. F1 is for help no matter which window you are in. F1 is always for help. Let us see how it works with few examples. Here I have created a folder like illustrations on which we have few other folders, and what happens if we press F1 in a folder? Well, it goes to a Microsoft Edge or any default Explorer we have and says like get help with the Explorer in Windows 10. Okay, if we go and press F1 in a Word file, what would that do? Okay, it opened a help under the Word file itself. Now let us test the same with the Power Presentation. I think like most of the Microsoft. Our next shortcut is Alt. This Alt key on the keyboard along with few other letters actually gives a lot of functionalities. We have Alt plus FHW, where F is for file, H is for home, and W is to view. In fact, there are many shortcuts with Alt, but as we are talking with most common shortcuts, let us see what Alt F, H and W does with examples. Okay, let us try Alt F in the folder. Okay, it highlights the file tab. In fact, when we press Alt, all the shortcuts are appearing with the letters. Okay, so Alt F is for file. Okay, Alt H is for home, and Alt W is for view. Okay, Alt W is not working for folders. Let us try that inside Word. Let's say Alt F, it opens the file. Now go back and say Alt H. Okay, it goes into the home tab. Now let us try Alt W. Coming to the third one, these are the control shortcuts. It is Control plus X, C, V, where X is to cut, C for copy, V for paste. These are the most common shortcuts that anybody uses nowadays and can be universally applied like text, pictures, folders, whatnot, anything in Windows operating system. So let us try with the folders. See, I already created like Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's try it again. We copy Ctrl C, copy the test1 folder, and Ctrl V, which creates another test1 copy 2 folder. Now let us try the Ctrl X, which says cut. Ctrl X, it cuts. And let us say I want to copy the copy 2 folder into test1 copy folder. Ctrl V. So excellent. These are like, here comes the fourth one. It's Shift Delete. This one is another most popular shortcut, which is used to delete the file permanently. Be cautious. Unless you really want to delete it permanently, don't use Shift Delete. Let us try it here. I don't want this folder anyway, so if I say Shift Delete, it is gone. And if I see that in Recycle Bin, I can't see it. So Shift Delete is the next one is Home and End buttons on the keyboard. Almost all the keyboards in the world, I say, have Home and End buttons, where home is to go to the start point of a statement and end is to go to the end of the statement. Let us see how it functions. I have a text.txt file with some data in it, and let's say I delete this page and I press enter and I press enter again. So let us say I am at the mid of something and I want to go to the start of the statement. So it's so simple. And if I want to go to the end of the statement, I press end and I reach to the end of the statement. So this is how home, and alternatively we have control home and control end shortcuts, which are used for the same functional as home and end. But the beauty is it takes us to the start of the page to the end, complete end of the document. Like say for example, I'm mid of the document and I say like control home. I go to the start of the document, and when I say control end, I come to the end of the document. So just to show the difference, if we press home, it only takes to the start of the statement, and if we press control home, it takes us to the start of the document. Let's V here, control A, control C, and I go to the Word file and paste it. I got the data, and if I say only home, it goes to the start of the statement in that line, and if I say end, it comes to the end. Coming to the next one, shift plus home or end. Yeah, as I told, home is for to come to the start of the statement, or to end is to go to the end of the statement. So shift is basically to select the data. So when we use shift plus home, it selects the entire data from the start point, say the selection point, to the start of the statement or the line. And when I say shift end, it selects the entire data or the text from the start of the selection point to the end of the line. So an additional point is like if we use control along with the shift and the home buttons, it does the same functionality which we saw previously, like control shift plus home selects everything from the point we select. Control shift home selects the entire data from the point we select, and whereas control shift end selects after the selection point data. And to select entire, and now coming to shift insert is yet another shortcut, like control V to paste any content. We can also use shift insert, just like, for example, I just want to copy this and paste it here or insert it there. I can use shift, let us come to the next line and say shift insert. It just copies the data again. It's just like control V, but most of them don't know, so okay. The next one is Alt Tab. Alt Tab is a great option that we have in Windows to migrate between one folder to another folder, or one application to another application. Like you can see on my machine, so many windows open. When I say Alt Tab, it opens everything. So whatever I want, I can just say Alt Tab, 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 and select the document, or the one which is recording, or the text document itself, or the text. And finally, the last shortcut we have for this session is Windows plus D. It minimizes all the windows and goes to the desktop. Let's say we can use Alt Tab, the many windows open, and now I say Windows D. It goes to the. I hope this gave some insight or a revision to what you might already know or do not know, but please do not forget to subscribe and share the video. Thank you. Signing off, Raghav.